Hey there, getting ready to unmold this beautiful board that I just finished. It's going to be a wine flight for someone. So going to be doing a little, this has got an ocean themed, and going to be doing a little finishing work on it. It's going to end up having some little cored out holes that are going to accommodate these little wine tasting glasses, or whatever you choose, if brandy, whiskey, whatever, and they make a really nice gift for someone. So here we go. This mold is by Crafted Elements, and these molds are awesome. Sprayed it down with a little bit of release, and this is unmolding for the first time. All right, so beautiful shape, nice coloring on the back. Ooh, it looks actually has the ocean look on the back too. I'm going to be doing some routing out the tips on here, and then again doing some little core partial holes in there that will accommodate the tasting glass. So it's going to be a nice little wine flight or whiskey flight.